Hoppers, and welcome to MuchoHop. Today I am in Valencia. You know, I filmed Valencia several times, but I showed you how to get to the airport and how to get to the coast, and I showed you the Fallas, but I never really showed you the city. So today I am filming the city, just like a few things that I like about the city, and then, I mean, there's so much to see here, so I'll talk about a few things, okay? And I hope you like them. Now, right across from City Hall, this is where they have all the firecrackers in the Mascleta. It happens during the Fallas. The last day of the Fallas is March 19th. So the week before, every day, or I think actually 2 weeks before, I explained it in the video, they have firecrackers here, but not just like any firecracker, like half an hour of really, really loud firecrackers. The noise, the more noise, the better, you know? And the people are just all piled up here. On that last day, that's when they burn all the paper mache structures or sculptures that they create, which are amazing. The Fallas, I think, are pretty special. I highly recommend that you come to Las Fallas. If you don't like big crowds and if you don't like noise, forget it. Stay home. The architecture here is beautiful. Just walk around and observe, just like everything. Look, this is the post office. Let me see if it's open now. Let's go over there. So this is called the Palace of Communications. Look at that. Okay. Wow. Nice and cool. Hola, buenas tardes. Look at the floor. But just look at all these columns. They're so beautiful. Now check this out. Look at that. It doesn't even fit in the camera. Let me move back. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I don't know if you could see the colors. Maybe. Oh, I love the floors. We are here in the tourist information area. Well, the square of City Hall. Here is the bullfighting rink with a Shatiba metro station that goes to the airport. And we are going to go to the old town. So this area up here. The largest historic commercial center in Europe. Wow, I didn't know that. Can you believe these sidewalks? It looks like marble or some type of stone. I'm headed towards the old town. By the way, I'm going to northern Italy right after this. So I'll be filming that too. I'm going from Milan to Venice by train. So that's where we're going. So we're gonna go to the left. There's a castle up ahead. I love the architecture. These houses are so pretty. Now we are at Plaza del Mercat, which is Market Square. And the market is right here. I'll get closer. Okay, the beautiful thing about this market are the tiles. It's really pretty. Inside also. It's closed right now, but there used to be a gate that you could see inside. Let me see if they still have it. I mean, it's a regular market. It looks like Art Deco, doesn't it? It's really beautiful. You can see the ironwork. You have the ceramics, the tiles, and then you have stained glass windows. Stone is carved. Really cool place. Let me see if we could peek in here. Can we peek in there? No? They don't have the gate they used to have that you could see inside. I'll put a picture from another time I visited. how pretty the market is? Wow. They're fixing it. Look at the scaffolding. Wow. Wow. Look at the ceiling. So this is the same church that I just showed you, but the front or the back, I'm not really sure, but it's totally different, isn't it? See, the market is right there. Now look at this place. So this is the lonja. I have to get the name in English. The place that looks like a castle. You see how beautiful it is? Okay, in Valenciano, it's that. I know in Castellano, in Spanish, it's la lonja de la seda. Seda is silk. So I have a feeling maybe they used to trade silk here. I told you this was like a trading place. So very interesting. It's open Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Sundays and holidays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Square right off the market and the lonja, calle de la lonja street. We're always looking for shade here. The famous rice dish is called paella, not paella, please, no paella. The pan is called una paella also. So you make a paella in a paella. You have to try the paella. If you don't know which one, just say paella valenciana, and that one is the typical one here. Comes with vegetables, chicken or rabbit or both, and it's delicious. Oh, now I am looking for the cathedral, and it's right there. You could also use scooters to get around. Just look at these buildings. And there's the cathedral, but they're under construction. You can go up to the tower called the Miguelete. And they have a lot of restaurants and places to have horchata and ice cream and all kinds of goodies. I do recommend that you see the City of Arts and Sciences. That's what we need. A fan, a handheld fan. Did we forget anything? Did we miss anything? Thanks for following me and subscribing and liking and all that kind of stuff. I hope you enjoyed Valencia. I recommend that you come here. Really nice place to be. Great weather. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye. Hello hoppers and welcome to sunny A Coruña. Today we have to renew our passport. Now what do you need to renew your passport? Well, first of all, I had to make an appointment at the police station, but I did it through their website. Here's the police station.